Hi, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Dojo Go. My name is Taylor Kelly, and in this video today I'm going to be describing for you exactly what we post on this channel, so that way if you're interested, you might want to consider subscribing, okay? So, on this channel we upload different martial art kids workout videos. We have them themed from Marvel, DC, Star Wars, Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, things that kids are really into, so that way when they click on the videos and they watch them, they stick with it to the end, okay? Now, studies have proven that if your child has a hard time focusing on the schoolwork, I know most of you here are here because you homeschool your kids, right? If they have a hard time focusing, it's been scientifically proven that if kids engage in physical activity before they do their schoolwork, anywhere ranging from 10 to 20 minutes, they actually improve their focus by nearly 80%. So if you're interested in stuff like that, definitely subscribe to our channel. Also, we also do a series of videos called Mat Chats. Now, in these Mat Chat videos, I answer questions that kids ask me. You know, some questions that kids ask me are, how do I make more friends at school? How do I learn how to speak louder? How do I read faster? So stuff like that, things that kids ask me that I answer for them. And also, parents, you have an opportunity to ask me a question to address to your kids. You know, one of the most powerful ways to help your kids instill a habit or instill something that's good for them is to listen to it from somebody else, right? So as parents, you probably wonder this, like, man, I keep telling my kids the same thing, but they don't seem to listen, right? Sometimes, you know, and this is just based on my experience teaching kids martial arts for 15 years, when kids listen to a message that's from someone else, they kind of absorb it a little better, right? If it's someone like their parents, you know, it doesn't always work that way. And you probably experienced this before where, you know, your kids might learn something from you, but then they hear it from someone else and they automatically listen, right? So that's something that you can find really valuable here. So if any of this stuff sounds really good to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the bell so you guys be notified whenever I upload new videos. We upload them weekly. And also, if you guys happen to be interested, we do have a 6-week online martial arts virtual course that you can check out. We've made it really affordable for families. It's really fun. It comes with worksheets, a printable calendar, and 6 weeks of follow-along videos that take your kids step by step on how to become more confident, how to establish a healthy fitness routine, and have lots of fun along the way with an interactive martial arts story with my monkey friend Dojo. So if you're interested in that, you can also click the link down below. Hope you guys have a great week. I look forward to meeting you guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.